Hey everyone, just a quick video of an accessory I got for my Model 3. When I first got the car, I got this carbon fiber spoiler. So you can see the carbon fiber pattern there. So for the side mirrors to match, I got some carbon fiber, basically covers. Nothing really to the installation. There's adhesive tape on the inside. So I'm just going to clean up these side view mirrors so the adhesion is strong, and then we'll get them on and we'll see how it looks. So before I put them on, I just want to check and see how the fitment is on these. Make sure they actually cover everything. So that looks pretty good. You can see a little bit of the white right there. Not the end of the world. And then obviously from the front you're going to be able to see the white, but whatever. Looks like a pretty good fit. Alright, so let's clean these up and put them on. Alright, so this is what the cap's installed. Looks pretty good. Might have to black out the chrome strips, trim eventually, but for now, I think it looks pretty good. Obviously in the front you can see still white, but I think it looks pretty good. Alright, nice. Not rubbing anything. Perfect. Alright, I hope you guys liked the video. If you liked it, please thumbs up. Thanks.